loaded.
Like our swamps and alligators.
Hang on. Oh, we got a double. We got a double. 2 good fish right here.
It's out to be dancing with.
Load him up. Mine's bigger than yours, Father.
Love to hear that Cajun music. Dancing with our sweethearts and just letting the good times roll.
Some mosquitoes over here that'll scour you all. I don't know how about in Florida.
They're big. They're big. The days keep getting better.
It's just a Louisiana thing. All right, guys, before we go fishing, I want to show y'all what I did. That's right, we put a Honda on the bigger boat. I was so impressed with that 40 on the smaller boat, with the gas mileage and the dependability of it. We did it again. If y'all want a Honda like this, y'all come see Ryan Saunier at Iberia Outboard and Marine. He'll hook you up. Let's go fishing, guys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're in Henderson. We're using the kfredfloatpopper, fishing about 2.5 foot deep under a float. Fishing with Jeff Savoy, my brother-in-law. Y'all enjoy it.
You got him? There you go.
Today we're mostly fishing with the A4, which is my green head. Also the A2, which is the white head. We kind of stuck with those two today.
There he is. Ooh, take him. Oh, there he is. Some fry holes today and a couple of nice ones. Had to tease him. There he is. Oh, that's a better one right here. Come on, stay on. That's a little bit better fish. Oh. Get him, Jeff. He's on there. Watch, I'm gonna get one right here close up. There he is. Oh, yeah. Oh, I missed him. They liking that white. Felt like I stuck him enough, but
It's hard. Yeah, easy with the trauma on spoofing. I knew how deep it was.
There he is. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Starting to get a few now, y'all. What it was, I don't know. There he is. Oh. Fry hole. Oh, there you go. That's a better fish. Watch you pull.
Trying to get to that tree.
Got one? Oh, is that a keeper? Right. There you go. Show him that green head, Jeffrey. Yeah, there you go, buddy. There you go.
Saw that fish take off? Mm-hmm. I saw you swoop one for sure.
There's another one. There's another one. Come on, baby.
You doubled up, I didn't get a bite.
Come on, stay on, baby.
You know what? I'm too shallow. I shallowed up for right here.
There you go. There we go, right here, guys. Right there. There he is. Little fry hole, little fry hole. See what this. Get him. Saw it jump.
Oh yeah, another nice fish.
Oh, good. Oh, good fish. Jeff with a good one. Swing him in.
Whoa.
Some good stuffs. There he is. Woo-hoo. A nice brim. He's gonna, y'all know I'm gonna keep this one. Jeff got one. Good one. Swing him in.
Trying. He was running.
There you go.
Oh shit. Excuse me.
30.
I could have never made that cast.
Oh.
Ooh. Hey.
Got one. Jeffrey with another one. Look at that. He stole my fish.
That's how close I came to that stump. That cast.
There you go. Another decent fish, Jeff.
Well, he ate that thing.
There he is. Goggle eye. He going in the pot. Fat little joker.
Sea lambs are pretty good. You scale them, they're little muddy places.
There he is. It's a good fish.
Oh.
Ooh. That was a big one. Trying to get him in. Jeff got a good one. Jeff, get him, baby. Oh, that's a good one.
Monster.
Yeah, baby.
That's how
Nice.
you do it, K-Fred.
That's how you do it, huh? Good fish. Got him? Ooh, it's a decent one. Okay, Jeff's still using the green head.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, here we go. Stay on, baby. Stay on. Oop, we got a double. We got a double.
Another hammer.
Two good fish right here.
Good enough.
Two good fish. I hope my line don't break. All right. Hold him up. All right. Two at a time. Let me see that one. Mine's bigger than yours, finally.
It is. I knew that. The water this is bigger.
All right, guys, we're gonna close it out. We had a good little run at the end. The fish started biting right before dark. It's 4 o'clock. We got a pretty good little run back to the landing. I want to close this video out. Did a little cooking for Tug Trash. He came in, my buddy. They were here in the basin. A little footage we cooked on the houseboat. I think he showed it in his video. Got a pretty little drone footage. Y'all stay tuned for that. Go ahead and season the fresh fish that Crystal and Ian caught yesterday. Some pretty sacalait. We're gonna hit with some KFRED to start with. All right, we're also gonna hit it with a little Louisiana hot sauce. All right, we're gonna use a little bit of mustard. Get the runny stuff out right there. A little bit more KFRED. About what you want it to look like right there. We're gonna go ahead and start this etouffee. We got a crawfish etouffee going right here. There we go. All right, 3 sticks of butter we're gonna start with. Got some Louisiana crawfish. We're on the houseboat. Scott LaGrange, y'all go give him some business. Cypress Cove Landing, he rents these nice houseboats out. Scott's been a good friend of mine. We hadn't done a lot together, but he's always hooking me up. He made the ice chest I keep in my boat. all those items. So we appreciate Scott and the growers. We'll put the onions in here. All right, this is fresh. I just cut this up before it came on the houseboat. I'm gonna do the bell peppers too. And we're gonna saute this down till the onions are clear. This is what I call cooking on the bayou or in the basin. Look at these pretty cypress trees. If I can get them in and fly the drone before it gets dark.
I don't actually know what I'm doing. I was given a job and I just need to stir these non-stop.
All right,
That's what I'm doing.
We're gonna add the crawfish.
I'm so glad that I didn't have to cook for you, because it would be so intimidating being in Louisiana and cooking for some Louisiana guys. No, that's not something you do.
I hear you.
So Kendall said he could cook and I gladly accepted.
Awesome.
It's called YouTubers in the Wild, babe.
YouTube on YouTube. Here's a Devo, so you want me to leave it on the porch?
Yeah, or just put it like right inside right there. It'll cast enough light.
All right, we're going in with some Louisiana crawfish. This is some Louisiana Select.
Oh yeah. And you're making some etouffee.
Etouffee.
See, that's exactly what I'm talking about. I can't say stuff right.
You know where we put them alligators?
Yeah.
Bayou man, I gotta poop. Can you say that?
Man, I gotta poop.
Bayou man, I gotta poop.
Bayou man, I gotta poop.
Man, I gotta poop. Man, I gotta poop. That's how you say it.
No, I was telling Kendall, I'm glad that I didn't try to cook you guys anything in Louisiana, because they would have been very intimidating.
Yes.
And probably you would have been very
I
disappointed.
was telling everyone, like, Louisiana's the only place where you're not masculine unless you know how to cook, right?
Yeah, no.
Like, that's kind of like, oh, you can't cook, you must be soft, right? that and dancing, you better do one or two around here. And most
Oh, you got to be able to dance
most
here?
cultures, you can't.
Can you get 1 out of 2?
Yes.
All right, I got 1 out of 2.
You can cook. Oh, you can
I can cook. I can't
You
dance.
have to be the best looking man. I'm telling you. If you can cook, you got something.
You know, I was watching, I was Googling Cypress Cove on YouTube, and I was watching all the Saturday parties, everybody dancing, the music. We were watching
They have
that
some
night before
throwdowns over
last.
here.
Every weekend, man. You'd be surprised. It loads up with that whole dance floor. Loads up.
Look at that. There's another 10 people coming in a minute.
Oh, we're gonna have some big plates. We're gonna have some.
We had a long day. I'm fixing to eat.
All right, we're gonna fry some of these fresh sacalait that I didn't caught yesterday. We're using the KFRED fish fry. Got the fish all seasoned, ready to go. He's doing a great job of stirring this crawfish.
Oh, professional stirrer over here.
Gonna make a true Cajun out of him soon.
Well, if you've been watching me, you know that I steal a bunch of his recipes anyways.
Yeah, but I appreciate all the support. He's sending a lot of customers my way, so I appreciate that. Thank you so much. All right, we're gonna put a can of golden mushroom in here.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty color right there.
That looks beautiful.
Yeah. Woo! Looking good. Some mosquitoes over here that'll carry you on. I don't know how up in Florida
They're big.
Oh,
They're
they're
big.
big.
My dad used to say that the mosquitoes over here are so big they make love to a rooster makes love to it. You know.
Mouth is watering.
Now we're gonna fry some Louisiana shrimp.
Are they the ones you just caught on your last video?
No.
Oh, they could have been.
These are fresh. These are Louisiana. I should say, yeah, they're fresh.
Technically, they could have been.
Yeah.
All the shrimp are from Louisiana, though.
Oh, there's no doubt. All right, we needed to put a little KFRED in the crawfish. I think that's probably gonna be pretty good right there. Keep these mosquitoes from going in there.
You might fly away.
Oh my gosh, I
Look how
know.
pretty that looks, y'all. Crawfish etouffee.
I'm so excited for that.
Want some rice. And if you're not gonna over season it, that way y'all can add some more on top. You put all you want, but time to eat. Let's go in.
Let's do it. I'm gonna be greasy tonight, all right?
There you go, dude. We only 4 of us, so I think you can have all you want.
This is what I'm at. This is what I'm at.
Espérer au bout de mon chemin. Espérer jusqu'à ma dernière journée. Mais je connais qu'il y a un temps qu'arriver. Ça d'ici.
And I did bring some plastic in a bag, but I mean, whatever you want to do.
Look at that.
Parce que je peux pas t'oublier.
Grab some.
Oh, wait, here's the bigger one.
Et c'est toi
Shrimp.
qui voulais me
Shrimp is my favorite food group.
Can't have too much shrimp.
I tell you, I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. One, Scott has been steady wearing me out. We've been sun up to sundown, having fun, hanging out.
And a big day tomorrow. Look at that
Oh,
plate,
yeah.
dude.
The days keep getting better. I need to go to the store and buy some more crawfish before I go home. Eat them in Florida.
Hungry too. Some of that fresh sacalait y'all caught. Oh my God.
Delicious.
Let's see.
Ça c'est bon.
Alright. Woo.
Top notch.
Dude, I'm glad y'all like it. I figured I could at least run over here and cook for y'all.
Thank you so much.
Dude, you're
Like I
welcome.
said, the last thing in the world I wanted to do tonight was cook food, so we couldn't have got a better meal in a restaurant.
It worked out.
No doubt.
All right, man, enjoy it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, because we thank Scott LaGrange for having us in the
Yeah.
houseboat. So, see y'all later. I'm heading out. Y'all go follow my buddy Ian and Crystal on Tug Trash. His channel's on fire. Y'all go check it out. Catch Cleaning Cooks.
espérer. Je suis d'accord de te pardonner. Parce que je peux pas m'oublier. Et c'est toi qui voulais me séparer. Ça d'ici, toujours prêt à espérer.